Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and thank you very much for clicking on this video. To my new subscribers, thank you very much, I appreciate it. And to my returning subscribers, thank you very much for always being there. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Berries Weekend perfume. It's a perfume by Fragrance World, and there are quite a number of variants. So I have the pink edition, and this is the violet edition. So I want you to stay tuned, stay to the end of the video so that you know which one I really love, and yeah, which one is is close to my heart and is my favorite. So this is the packaging. As I said, it is by Fragrance World. So this is the Berries Weekend pink edition. This is the 100 ml bottle, and yeah, so this is how it is. Let me bring it out from the pack so that you see. It has a very cute very cute bottle. You know, it looks almost like you know, the violet one. So this is the pink edition. Pretty bottle. It would make a wonderful addition to your beauty stand, to, you know, like your dressing table and things like that. Now, what exactly is the fragrances in this Berry Weekend? So it is here in the local market in Nigeria. There's a lot of hype about Berries Weekend. A lot of hype. It's all over TikTok, all over Instagram. Everybody's talking about it. So is it really worth the hype? Well, let's see. So it's very fruity. It's very sweet, it's very floral. I'm going to just spray it again just to oh yes, very fruity, very floral. So it's a sweet and juicy blend of like cherry, pear, plum, and it has a hint of jasmine, rose, apple blossom in it. It's very soft, very feminine. It's a very soft, feminine aura, and the fragrance actually settles into a warm, earthy base note of patchouli. And I think that the patchouli really adds to the depth and richness of the scent. It also has a bit of a nutty feel to it, and also has vanilla in it. So it's really quite seductive, really fresh, very sweet. As I said, very feminine, and it is just quite soft. It just really gives off this baby girl vibes, you know, like, oh yeah, baby girl vibes. I guess my only issue with it is not long lasting. No, it is not long lasting. If you spray it on your pulse points, you know, that's behind your neck, you know, behind your ears, I mean, just on your neck and your elbows and things like that, max you'll be able to smell it for like, I would say like maybe an hour or two, really. Yes, it doesn't last. It doesn't last. I actually feel that you're better off actually spraying this on your clothes. Spray this on your clothes, even the next day. If you pass by, you know, the clothes that you wore the day before, it will still be smelling of this. So that's what I would say. If you really want to carry the scent, you know, all day, I would say, apart from spraying it on your pulse points, make sure you spray it on your clothes, directly on your clothes. So that is the Berries Weekend pink edition. Now this is the violet edition. Some people also call it the purple edition. Now the purple edition is beautiful. It is beautiful. It is of course, by Fragrance World, is designed to evoke a sense of relaxation and enjoyment, and that is what is quite different. This one is calming. It has some lavender in it, but not lavender like how your grandma will smell. a really sweet, beautiful lavender. So it's fruity, it's floral, it combines the sweetness of berries with a delicate aroma of violet. And the fragrance opens with a burst of fresh berries. So it has raspberries in it, it has blackberry in it, it has blueberry in it, and it is a very lively, it gives up a very lively and energetic feel. Really, really beautiful, lively and energetic feel. And it's just a perfect blend of fruity and floral notes. And it has a long lasting scent. This one actually lasts a lot